Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Falmouth and we're giving you a tour of the construction of the Champion Plaza. Now a section is already built, so I guess you could say this is phase 2. So they are expanding the plaza. Now this plaza does very well in Falmouth. It's actually the largest plaza in Falmouth and it has everything you need for a successful plaza. So I'm not surprised that they are expanding it. So this is the construction of the new section. The plaza has a supermarket. You need three things for a successful plaza: a brand name or a large supermarket. They have the Champion supermarket. Then you need food stores. They have KFC, Pizza Hut, Sakuro, and a few others. But from you hear the name KFC, that's more than enough. And then they built it in a populated area. Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney and slowly emerging as a tourist area, tourist town. It's not at the level of Montego Bay or Ocherous or Negril yet, but it's getting there. The infrastructure is being put in. They have the Falmouth Cruise Ship Pier or Falmouth Cruise Ship Terminal, which is the number one cruise ship terminal in the Caribbean, or one of, I should say. So this is one of the new buildings that they are putting up. And remember, this is a plaza, so it's going to be shops. And then on the other side now, you also have more shops. And the Champion Plazas, they have three of them so far. This one in Falmouth, which is the newest one. They have one in Ocherous and they have one in Port Maria. And then over here is some more shops being built. And guys, if there's any development you want us to make a video of, just leave a comment in the section below. We will eventually get to it. And behind this construction, that's the existing plaza. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.